I wouldn't believe it if I hadn't seen the magical feeling.
With the coming of fall, all of the Blinkins' energy is turned to harvest, to the gathering of the nuts and berries that will last them through the long, cold storms of winter.
Making life a better place, laughing at the rain clouds, paint a smile right on your face, and let your light shine, let your love light
While the Blinkins gather their fall harvest, a little girl who lives nearby thinks of other things.
Are you ready for our first day of school, Belinda? Neither am I. I'm sorry you have to spend the whole day in my backpack, but it's the only way you can go to school, and at least we'll be together. I am sorry, but Mom says dolls aren't supposed to go to school. Bye. I love you.
Perhaps dolls shouldn't go to school, but they shouldn't be lost in the Blinkin' Wood either.
Hurry up with your harvest, Blinkins. The first storm of winter may be even earlier than I thought.
How soon?
I'm not sure yet. Got to do some checking. But if my calculations are correct, the first snowflake may fall before the week is out.
Oh, no! That's awful. We'll never make it.
You'll have to. Get a move on, Blinkins.
And with the coming of fall, Sneed, a mean and lazy bear, starts thinking of winter and the long sleep that comes with it.
Time to get ready for winter. Sneed hates winter. Nice new house. Sleepy. Needs something. What? Food. Need food for a midwinter snack, yes. Plenty of time, though. Food. Need food.
This doesn't make any sense. If this is correct, it's going to snow tonight. I don't believe it. It hasn't snowed in the Blinkin' Woods this early since, it has never snowed in a Blinkin' Wood this early.
All around, it's yellow, red, and golden brown, falling down, happy here, surrounded by these autumn silver. When winter's here, we'll still have all our autumn souvenirs.
Oh, maybe we ought to head back, guys. This thing is really full. Oh, can't we rest a minute? I'm exhausted.
Oh, you poor thing.
Well, I'm glad someone appreciates all my effort.
No, not you. I mean her.
Oh! Oh, take it away! I'm going to be sick!
It's a lost doll.
Ooh, it's heavy. Oh!
It looks kind of sad.
It must be very lonely. Well, I think it's ugly. If my hair looked that bad, I'd die. Oh, no. It's the most beautiful doll in the world.
Someone must miss it very much.
Can we keep it?
We should find out who it belongs to and give it back.
Oh, gotta move on, Blinkins. This is no time to be playing with dolls. That winter storm is even closer than I thought. It's going to hit this very night.
Oh, no!
Yes. You'd better get that basket of food back to the winter storehouse fast. Come on.
But Mr. Ben, we can't leave this doll outside all winter.
What? No, I don't suppose we can. I'll tell you what. You take the food to the storehouse, and I'll take care of the doll.
Thank you, Mr. Ben.
Now, what on earth are you doing all alone in the middle of the woods?
It's awful cold for this time of year. Woo, boy. Oh, no winter coat. Oh, no place to call my own. And I'm hungry, too.
Hungry!
Oh, well, hello there, Mr. Sneed.
I need a midwinter snack. You get it for me.
Well, you see, I've been having kind of a hard time with that myself. Oh!
You get it, or be it.
But you don't want to eat me, Mr. Sneed. You want to eat nuts and berries and honey and stuff. I happen to know where there's tons of that stuff. Blinkins have got it. And with my brains and your brawn, I bet they'd be willing to share it. What do you say?
Food?
Food, Mr. Sneed. Food fit for a king. Partners.
Partners.
Well, all right. Now, here's all we gotta do. Give us some. Simple, huh?
Ooh, it was so heavy. One more nut, and I don't think we could make it.
Hold it, Blinkins!
You lost, Frog.
I said hold it, Blinkins, and I meant hold it.
You idiot!
All that work!
Look at this mess, you stupid green bag of slime.
What's it there, Miss Shady? You happen to be standing in front of no ordinary bag of green slime. I am now master of the Blinkin' Wood.
You and who else, Wartface?
Me, Prince Grog, and my very dearest and closest personal friend, Emperor Sneed.
Sneed wants...
Spit it out, boss.
Food!
Now, boss, grab him! gotcha!
He's got Flashy! Oh, no! Help! Oh, help! No one help me! Poor Flashy!
Now don't forget, we'll be at your winter storehouse at sundown.
We bring Flashy. You bring food.
Don't be late now, you hear?
Bad bear! And an even worse frog.
Good food.
Yeah, right you are, boss. And there's plenty more where that came from.
So now they've got Flashy, and they're gonna show up this afternoon at the winter storehouse and want all our winter food supply.
Old Sneed, he's going to be out tonight. It's going to snow. Bears don't like the snow. They hate the cold. It makes them grumpy.
Talk to him, Mr. Ben. Tell him to leave us alone.
Ooh, a bear caught out in a winter storm. He gets addle-headed and confused, and he ends up crashing and bashing into everything.
What will happen to Flashy?
This is awful. When the moon rises tonight, the first snow of winter will fall, and that bear has got to be inside his cave.
What are we gonna do, Mr. Ben?
Think of how to trick a bear.
We don't have time to think.
All we need is a moment. Any one of us is smarter than any 10 bears or frogs.
But Mr. Ben! Oh. Wait a minute. What does the Blinkin' Queen of Winter look like?
There's no such thing.
I know that, and so do you. But Mr. Sneed the bear doesn't. I've got an idea, I think. I'll need your help, Mr. Ben, to tell all the other Blinkins. And I'll need all of your help, too. And some fake snow.
Fake snow?
Hang on, Flashy. Hang on. Please, let me go.
Blinkin make nice lamp. Food! Frog promised food. Where is Frog?
I'm under here. Hey, watch out where you sit, big fella.
Time to go get food.
Right you are, boss. Let's blow this taco stand.
If there's something important to do, I won't quit until the job is through. If a stitch in time can save none, then I don't mind working overtime. If we can win the is working overtime.
Everybody ready?
Oh no, Mr. Ben. We can't do it. It's hopeless.
But it's the only hope we've got. The moon is about to come up. The bear and the frog are on their way to the storehouse. The other Blinkins are all ready. It's too late to turn back now. Come on.
But it's not going to work.
Blink, it has got to work. Things happen when they must. Make this one happen, Blink. It must.
We'll try. Please.
Food's in there, boss, behind that door. But where's the Blinkins?
Hold fast, Ursa Sneed.
Oh, evening, Mr. Ben. Love the outfit. But how about you take a hike? Sneed and I have business here with the Blinkins.
It's the very reason I'm here. Allow me to introduce the Blinkin' Queen of Winter.
Right.
Come on, you guys. All together now.
Miss Belinda, the Magic Queen of Winter, sorceress, seer, and keeper of the blinking light. Your Majesty, Mr. Ursa Sneed, a bear, and Mr. Grog, a frog, would do business with you.
It is my pleasure to meet you. But what business is this that calls upon us to meet like vagabonds on this particular night?
The business we come on is a matter of food. Both Mr. Sneed and myself are...
Silence, Frog. I know why you're here. You would exchange blinkin' food for blinkin' life.
Well, I wouldn't put it quite that way, but you got the idea.
You stupid frog. You want food? I give you winter. Look! Idiot bear! Don't you know what this is?
Sure. It's Blinkins going in a hole.
It's Blinkins, and they are going to rest. Going to ground for winter. Release that Blinkin, you fool bear!
It's going to snow any second.
You in snow. Cold, cold snow. Look around you, Mr. Sneed. It's snowing.
No!
It's real snow. Hurry up, Blink.
It's too early.
I've brought you an early winter as punishment for your lazy greed. Go while you can, and take your thieving frog prince with you, before I decide to bring next winter in July.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Sneed. Don't hurt me. How was I to know they had a Queen of Winter?
You promised me food! My midwinter snack!
I'll get you food. All you want. I'll get it myself. You'll see. I promise. Oh, don't hurt or cry.
Oh. Flashy. Oh, Blink. Oh, we got it back.
Well, Queen Blinkins, it's not bad for your very first snowfall. I don't believe I could have done it better myself. Now tell me, how did you make it snow? Daisies? It snowed daisies?
Dried daisies. It was either that or nuts and berries.
And even a bear as dumb as Mr. Sneed wouldn't believe in snowing nuts.
You were right, Flicker. It is the most beautiful doll in all the world.
This early winter storm has caught the tiny Blinkin community unprepared.
I think you Blinkins had better get home. This storm is going to get a lot worse before it gets better.
But gee, Mr. Ben, what should we do with this doll we found in the woods? Whoever lost it will really be sad.
Don't worry, Flicker. We'll have to figure out what to do about her another time.
Maybe he's right.
But bye.
Oh, I hope this doozy of a storm isn't blowing a cold my way.
Feeling all the weight of the world, caught out in the storm with the cold wind blowing, wondering how your heart can be sure. If our love is strong enough to take it, hold on, don't throw it all away. We can make it through the storm together. Hold on, love will find a way. We'll wake up to find sunshine.
The Blinkins are not the only ones who've been caught off guard by this early winter storm.
Belinda! Belinda! Belinda!
The young girl, Marnie, who lost her cherished doll in the Blinkin wood, searches for it in spite of the growing cold.
Oh, where are you, Belinda? I miss you so much. Belinda! Oh, no. Oh, you haven't fallen in the river. Oh, Belinda! Please don't drown! I'm coming! I love you!
Winter, snow, time for sleep. Set alarm for midwinter. Grog, get Sneed midwinter snack.
But Mr. Sneed, it's snowing. Frogs are no good in the snow.
Cold frog feet or fried frog legs. Go find food for Sneed.
Whoa! Oh, yeah. Right, boss. Anything you say.
Time for Sneed to sleep.
Belinda! Where are you? Oh, stop it. Let go.
Now, how am I going to feed a hungry bear? Oh, this guy's bigger than Godzilla. And uglier, too. At least Godzilla was green. What about me? Nobody cares about me and my problems. I haven't caught one Blinkin all year. Not one. Poor me.
Let go! Let me go! Stop! Ow! Ow! Yuck!
Now what am I going to do?
Mr. Ben was right. This storm is getting worse.
Right. Blinkins.
Come on, Flicker.
Flicker, come on!
You guys go on home. I'll go get Flicker.
See you later!
What's wrong?
I think I can hear someone crying, but I can't tell where it's coming from.
You're right. I think it's coming from the cave.
Do you think it's safe to go in it?
It may not be safe, but we have to do something. Someone's in trouble.
Now this is getting interesting.
It's a girl. They sure are big.
It's a very beautiful girl. But why is she crying?
She is very beautiful. Maybe she's lost or something.
Blinkins aren't supposed to talk to people. Can they talk to a girl?
I think so. At least she doesn't look like she'd hurt us. Excuse me? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to frighten you. But we wondered, are you lost?
Yes, and I hurt my ankle too. But who are you?
Oh, we're Blinkins.
Blinkins? Oh, you're wonderful. I've never seen anything so lovely. You're so tiny.
I am not. Well, maybe a little bit tiny.
Ow!
Ooh, you should get home. Can you walk?
No, it hurts. Could you go and get me some help?
Of course. Ooh, but Blinkins aren't really supposed to talk to humans.
Blink. I think we should ask Mr. Ben what to do.
Yes, you're right, Flicker. You wait here with Flicker. I'll be right back. Everything will be all right. You'll see. Mr. Ben will know what to do.
Blinkins! Oh, hurts.
Are Blinkins magic? I mean, like, do I get 3 wishes and stuff?
Well, we're kind of magic, but not that kind. Why did you come into the woods?
I lost Belinda, my doll, and I came out here to find her.
You did? You mean the doll is... Stop it! Stop! No! Blinkins! You stop it! No! Blinkins! Stop it! No! Blinkins! Stop it! Why? Blinkins! No! Stop it!
Blinkins!
Stop it!
girl. She's in a cave. Flicker's there, too. Oh, she hurt her foot and she's lost. She's very nice. And we don't know what to do, Mr. Ben.
Whoa. One thing at a time, please.
There's a little girl lost in the Blinkin' Wood.
Well, she couldn't have picked a worse day for it. Your little girl had better get home quickly, or she'll be caught in a blizzard.
But she has a twisted ankle. She can't walk on it.
Oh, my. Oh, dear. Where is she?
I left her with Flicker in a cave near the stream.
No. A big cave?
Yes?
That's Sneed's cave.
Oh, no!
Yes. If she wakes up Sneed, she'll be in more than a blizzard. You've got to go to her, Blink.
But what can I do?
Something, anything.
But Mr. Ben, Sneed's a bear, and I'm only a Blinkin.
Certainly. And I'm an old owl with a gold. But she's a little girl who's in trouble. And hurry, Blink. Hurry! The snowstorm will be a full-blown blizzard by nightfall. Go!
Okay.
Shoot! My. Oh, dear.
McMouse Construction Company. Manny, Mo, and Wendell McMouse here. Can we help you?
Yes, please. I need a bear trap in a hurry.
Yes, need food.
Well, you see, Mr. Sneed, we don't, there isn't,
Can you bake it, Blink? I hope so. I sincerely hope you can. Because I'm afraid I can't.
Uh-oh.
Stop! Blink!
Hello.
Mr. Ben? We found a number of different plans for that bear trap you need.
Plans? You mean the trap isn't built yet?
Oh, no. We have this model on back order. And some assembly is required.
Oh, but the Blinkins need this trap now. Immediately. Even sooner.
You mean you want a bear trap? No. Delivered? Mr. Ben, we're not Supermen. We're mice.
Now, gentlemen, please. I think I have a way we can work together.
Where's Flicker?
I don't know, Twink, but I don't like it. They should be home by now.
Well, I wouldn't want to be caught out there.
I'm gonna go look for them.
Me too.
Well, you're not going out in that weather alone.
Okay. I'm coming. Oh, hi, Mr. Ben. Have you seen Blink and Flicker? Oh, no!
Too sick to help, Mr. Ben spreads the alarm to all the other Blinkins.
Oh, hello, Mr. Ben. Yes, sir.
And there ain't no mountain we can't climb. A shout rings out, SOS. And without hesitation you answer yes.
Did you bring food?
No.
No?
Yes, I did.
Good. Eat. Where food?
Right. Outside. It's outside. It's so big, so much food that I had to leave it outside. Okay? Come on, let's go eat.
Yeah, you guys go ahead. I'll catch up, okay? Whoop.
I'll go.
Did she bring any food?
I hope so.
Where food for Sneed? Snow! Sneed want food! Sneed hates snow!
Snow.
There you go. Already? Ain't it a beauty?
But it's huge.
Yeah, we can't lift that. That's a problem.
Must stand together, together we can find the way. And there ain't no mountain we can't climb. A shout rings out, SOS. And without hesitation you answer yes. Like magic, hearts come through the fire.
Get out of there.
She can't.
Where food?
Food? Food. It's under the snow. It snowed while we were inside waking you up. You wait here. We'll get it for you.
Me too.
Food. You get it.
We need her help. The girl. She's big and we're little. And we'll need all the help we can get to uncover your huge mountain of food. We did it!
Food?
I'm sorry, Mr. Sneed, but you'll have to get your own food now. Come on, Marnie. Let's get out of here.
No food?
No food. Oh, no.
You tricked me! You tricked Sneed!
Come on! I can't!
Well, well, well. Hey, you old bear. How you doing, huh? Oh, come on now, Sneed. Lighten up. I'll get you some food. Didn't I promise? And a frog's promise is as good as... even better.
Blink! Oh, Blink!
Flicker.
Come on, Blinkins. Phase 2. Let's get Marnie home.
Thank you, Mr. Ben.
Thank you, Blinkins. I miss you. Belinda? With love, the Blinkins. Oh, Belinda, you're back. Oh, thank you, Blinkins. Thank you so much.
Take care, Marnie. We love you.
Take care, Marnie. Who's to care for an old owl like Mr. Ben? I'm sick and tired as he is.
Oh, poor Mr. Ben. Now you get away from that stove. Come on. You need to take care of this coal.
I wouldn't believe it if I hadn't seen the magical feelings that can flow just like a dream. Whenever you help somebody, the moment you do, the goodness will get you. It'll bounce right back to you.